What's up guys, it's Luke with Lighthouse, and today behind me I have two Everest Lifted trucks. Let's check them out. Over here we've got the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 trim with a 4-inch Readylift lift kit. Up front you've got the blacked out GMC emblem with the red tow hooks that are signature for the AT4 trim. This lift stands on a set of Fuel Fusion forged matte black burn wheels and Nito Trail grappler tires. On the side, we got a couple different things that stand out. You've got the Everest and AT4 blacked out badges, and you have these fancy assist steps that are automatic and they help get you in and out of your lift. Moving over here, we have the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 elevation trim with a 3.5-inch rough country lift. Right out the gate, you'll notice that everything on this vehicle is blacked out. You have the onyx black finish, the grille with the GMC emblem, and the tow hooks at the bottom. On the side, we have the matte black Fuel Rogue wheels with the Nito Recon grappler tires. We have a couple more blacked out features. We have the Everest and the elevation badges, and we have extending from the cab to the back of the tailgate, we have a long Everest themed decal. If you want a customized truck that stands out from the rest on the road, choose Everest.